Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily download and create a live bootable USB drive. This OS is based on Windows x64-bit pre-installation environment. All links are given in the description below. This bootable USB provides recovery tools, partition manager, security tools like antivirus, and much more. So let's get started. I have already downloaded these files on my PC. First we create a bootable USB drive using RUFUS. Now let's boot from this live USB drive. I will use VMware Workstation for this purpose. You can use whatever you like Oracle VirtualBox. If you run this without virtual machine, it will run much faster than this. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.